Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix adding friends problem on Snapchat app. Are you clicking on add friend button but nothing happens? Just follow these steps and you'll be able to fix this problem. Open up Google Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat app at the top. Check if an update is available for your Snapchat app. As you can see, update is available for me, so tap on update button. If the problem still persists after updating your Snapchat app, then go to your phone settings. Scroll down, proceed to apps. Now tap on apps at the top of your screen. Find the Snapchat app. Now click on uninstall at the top of your screen and uninstall this app. After that, download it one more time again from the App Store and adding friends problem should be fixed. Done. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to fix adding friends problem on Snapchat app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.